Hi friends, in this tutorial I will guide you how you can fix the error boot MGR is missing. Press Ctrl Alt Delete to restart. Before proceeding, I request you to please click on the subscribe button to continue watching more such tech and how to videos. Now let's go ahead and I'll guide you how you can resolve this issue. When your PC says press Ctrl Alt Delete to restart, kindly restart your computer. The same way here I am going to restart my PC. Now you need to click over here, press any key to boot from the CD or USB. If you do not have Windows 10 CD or USB, I'll provide you the link in the description below so that you can easily download Windows 10 and then you can burn it in a USB or a CD depending upon your feasibility. Now once you provide boot, the installation media has started repairing your computer. Now click on the next button. Now over here, instead of install now, you need to click on repair your computer. Now in the next screen, you need to click on troubleshoot button. In the troubleshoot button, you will find here 5 options. So first of all, I request you to click on system restore. But system restore will not work for many users, so avoid using system restore. Now in next step, the next step is to click on startup repair. Click on startup repair and it will take around 30 minutes to 40 minutes to repair your computer, and it will fix the error which is known as boot MGR is missing. Even after startup repair, your computer has not fixed or problem is not resolved, I'll proceed with the next step because startup repair will take a lot of time. So next step is to click on the command prompt button. Choose command prompt, and here we are going to rebuild your boot MGR as well as BCD. So in the command prompt, type here disk part and hit the enter button. Now after booting the disk part, you need to type here list space disk and hit the enter button. After that, type here select disk 0, because you can see over here my disk is 0, so I have selected 0. In your case, whichever disk is showing to you, you need to choose that numeric value and hit the enter button. Now here type select partition 1 and hit the enter button. Now after selecting the partition, you need to type here active and hit the enter button. So now we have marked the disk part, my partition is now active. Now let's go ahead and proceed with the building your boot MGR. You need to perform here 4 commands. In your computer or even in my computer, 2 or 3 commands will work. So there is no issue if any command will not work in your case. First command we need to type here bootrec space / fix MBR and hit the enter button. Sorry, first of all we have to exit this disk part by typing exit over here. Now we have leave the disk part. Now start typing the commands. Type here bootrec space / fix MBR and hit the enter button. Now next command you need to type here bootrec space / fix boot. Whatever commands I use over here, I'll provide them in the description below so that you can easily copy these commands from there. So you do not need to worry about these commands. Now hit the enter button. Here this command is denied, so you do not need to worry. Only 2 or maximum 3 commands will work in every computer. Now third command is boot rec space /rebuild bcd and hit the enter button. Now it is rebuilding and it will take few minutes for building that BCD. Now this operation is also completed. Now in next step you need to type here checklist space /f and hit the enter button. These 4 commands you need to enter in order to fix your boot MGR and rebuild your BCD. That's it you have to do to fix your boot MGR is missing error. This few commands will resolve your PC without losing any kind of data at your end. So just sit freely and without worrying that it will cause any kind of data loss or anything. It won't hamper your data at all. So you do not need to worry about it. Now close the command prompt over here because you have completed or you have completely fixed your boot MGR is missing error. Now after performing these steps you need to click on turn off your PC. That's it you have to do and restart your computer. Once you restart your computer you will find that there would be no error of boot MGR is missing. If you still face any issue or if still the error persists, kindly comment below in the comment section and I'll provide you more ways on how you can fix boot MGR is missing without loss of your data. Thank you so much friends. That's it about boot MGR is missing. If you like my tutorial, I request you to please click on the subscribe button to continue watching more such tech and how-to videos. Thank you friends. Thank you for watching.